Welcome to Spotless. Today we're going to dive into how to clean a grill. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you 2 different ways to clean a grill. One is just this quick and easy cleaning trick you can do when you're in the middle of cooking, and the other is a deep cleaning process for the end of grilling season. So if you want to quickly clean off the grill grates when you're in the middle of cooking, put down the grill brush. That way you won't have to worry about getting bristles in your food. And grab an onion. Take the onion and just cut it in half. And then you just want to grab a grilling fork and use it to rub the onion cut side down on the grill grates. You want to do this when the grill is on and on fairly high heat so that it's going to really help you get off any of the charred food bits and barbecue sauce that's collected on the grates. It smells really good too. That was just a quick clean for when you're in the middle of cooking, but now if you want to get your grill completely clean before the end of summer, I'm going to walk you guys through the steps, and this is when you do want to grab that grill brush. And first we're just going to dunk it in some soapy water because the steam is really going to help us loosen up all of the stuck-on food on the grill grates. And we're really just going to let the steam do all of the hard work for us. Now you want to shut off the grill and disconnect it from the propane. So if your grill grates are really gross because you've been grilling all summer long like I have, you just want to take them out and we're going to give them a wash in some soapy water. You also want to remove the burner shields. We're going to give these a scrub too. Now you just want to put your grill grates and the burner shields and even that disgusting drip pan into a bucket of soapy water. We're going to give it all a good scrub with the grill brush. Then just rinse everything off. So now we're getting to the gross part. We're going to clean out the cook box. I already disconnected the drip pan from underneath the grill, and I placed a bucket underneath to catch all of the debris. And we're just going to clear out all of the charred bits. You definitely want to be wearing gloves when you're doing this. Next, you want to give the inside of the lid a scrub with the grill brush. Now, you might notice what looks like peeling paint, but it's actually just a buildup of carbon. Now, I'm just going to grab a wet paper towel and give it a wipe down. Now that your grill grates are clean, you want to take some vegetable oil and apply it with a paper towel. This is similar to reseasoning a cast iron pan, and it also keeps food from sticking to the surface. So now that the inside of the grill is all nice and clean, I'm just going to clean the exterior with some stainless steel polish. You just want to put it onto a microfiber cloth. Now, if you have a ceramic grill or painted stainless steel, you just want to use some soapy water instead. If you're not planning to grill this winter, the best thing you can do to keep your grill clean and protected is to just invest in a grill cover. Then you're ready to start grilling again in the spring. Want to learn how to make everything else in your home spotless? Click subscribe so you won't miss an episode.